So I'm in between Cincinnati and Louisville. I'm in a city called Prospect, Kentucky. Here behind me, look at this gorgeous finish on this deck. Wow. Here behind me is a deck that had a disintegrating, flaking, thin residential deck stain all over it. Old weathered wood, thousands of cracks, splinters, sun damage, mildew growth, rotten boards, a few rotten boards, all that stuff. Because what we've done is we came in and we cleaned everything up. We replaced all the bad and rotten boards in here. There were a few of them. There were about 10 or 11 of them, I believe, right? From there, we came in and we did general deck maintenance. We pulled off and we took all the rail boards off of here and we removed these spindles. So we took the black spindles out and just put them out there in a pile. We came in and did the rail systems, and then once we were done, we reinserted the spindle so that we could get an ultra clean presentation. When you look down in the cubby holes, you can see that there's coating down in there instead of a mess, and there being coating all over the spindles and everything. So done properly, right? But we came in with silverback epoxy, which is the world's toughest deck post crack filler, and we filled in every single crack and every single post on this deck. I'll take you down and show you the outside in a minute here too. It's all done, right? But the big thing here was this customer, they were facing what we call tear down to the frame replacement because they had that disintegrating, flaking, thin residential deck stain, right? And most of the time, the sanding cost and the cost to deal with that stuff, it runs right up to the customer having to pull their boards and do replacement. What we've done is we've brought in a special coating called Kong Armor, lifetime deck armor, and it has the special specification where it's actually able to lock down and encapsulate flaking, disintegrating deck stains, peeling deck paints, peeling bare deck over, any of that type of stuff without that high labor sanding, without doing chemical peel, right? Without doing media blasting. And what it does is it allows us to save these decks for these owners instead of them having to tear down and do, you know, bring in new composite planks or any of that stuff. Let's look down through here. Beautiful, just stunning, right? I'll take you down here and show you. This deck does need a couple touch-ups in the morning, so it needs about 2 hours of touch-up. So if you see something odd, that's what you're seeing. You're seeing a touch-up that we haven't done yet. One thing is these post caps, they were rotten, right, in the tops. So what we did was we brought in a specialty epoxy filler that we came in and we dug these out and then we treated them with that epoxy. Okay, once we did that silverback epoxy, we call it, it cures up 3 to 5 times harder than concrete, so it can completely rebuild these post caps. Now, same thing here. Look how gorgeous down through here. I want to show you guys how beautiful this deck finished. Look, every carpenter bee hole, every knot, every void in the outside of this deck has either been filled in by manually pressing it in with the coating or with that silverback epoxy, injecting it down into the cracks. All the large checking in the deck post, everything. See our deck posts? Look. See how they finish real beautiful and synthetic without any cracks or anything in them? That's from us injecting that world's toughest deck post crack filler silverback epoxy down in them, right? Let's stand out here. Let's zoom out here and show you guys more. Look how pretty. You guys think you can find a prettier deck right now tonight? No, no, no. Look how gorgeous. That's thick build, high build, industrial grade elastomer what we call the world's toughest deck armor, Kong armor, right? 30 to 60 times thicker than thin residential deck paints and stains. Otherworldly tougher, right? Best thing is locally backed for life. So lifetime service promise, lifetime limited warranty. We're gonna stay with these customers now. And for life, they have access to, number one, they got access to where, I just can't believe how beautiful this deck turned out. They have access for annual cleaning, spot touch-ups for little nicks and dings, stuff that nobody will warranty, right? They have a program that's called a lifetime service promise that gives them access to the Kong armor deck rescue painters to come out and do once annual cleaning, little spot touch-ups. They also have access to lifetime limited warranty. So if they have some type of large scale peeling event, we can get them warranty coverage, right? 24/7, 365 support, all local. You don't get that with composite, right? You don't get that with a new deck, right? So they never have to do, basically they don't ever have to do deck care again. We do it all for them from here on out. Once they put the Kong armor lifetime deck armor system in, it's full service from there. It's just amazing. I mean, it's such an extreme value. I mean, think about it. They avoided the replacement to composite with the lockdown encapsulation power of Kong armor. That right there probably saved them at least 25K, right? So if you think about that, and then the fact they're never going to have to completely paint, stain, or refinish their deck again. You know, every 3 to 5 years they get a savings dividend as they skip refinishing cycles, right? Just think about the value that's there. They didn't pay anywhere near that value to achieve this. And that's how we know. That's how we know for certain that Kong armor, it's the most valuable deck coating system and deck protection today. It really is. It always delivers to the customer multiples what they pay for it in value, right? Via savings, right? So I'll tell you what, if you want to learn more about Kong armor, we service Cincinnati, northern Kentucky, southeast Indiana, extreme outlying areas of those communities too, of the tri-state too. Obviously we're down in here right now in between Cincinnati and Louisville, more towards Louisville, right? So if you're on the outlying areas of the tri-state and you need help, we'll help you if you're serious, right? Tell you what, go get a free quote or go to our website and learn more about what we do, kongarmor.com.